Hi, Josie here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful pink and gold Petri. The supplies you'll need with this Petri are art resin and alcohol ink. I used gold Pinata and a red and a white for this project. Other supplies that you'll see in the video are a little dropper tool and a little squeeze bottle. Sometimes I like to pre-mix my colors in the squeeze bottle. You don't have to for this project. You can just use the alcohol ink straight out of the bottle. One of the supplies on the Amazon.com shop that you'll find is I think it's called the Pinata Exciter Pack, and it comes with 8 different little dropper bottles of the Pinata inks, including white and gold. It's a good price, and the colors are really great. So you can always pick that up if you're interested in getting like a starter kit. Okay, so here we go. I have a silicone mold that I filled about halfway with freshly mixed resin. If you fill it more than halfway, sometimes it's a little bit hard to get out. I added a couple drops of white first and then followed up with pink, and then now I'm using the dropper to add the gold. Then you'll finish off with a little bit of pink and then wait overnight, and here it is all dried. I'm carefully peeling the silicone off. You can tear the silicone, so you need to be careful. And there it is. You can see that the gold has dropped down beautifully, and the pink looks terrific. One of my favorites. Okay, there you have it. Start to finish, that's how you make a little 2.5-inch Petri. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments below. I'm going to be making more of these tutorial videos, and I'd love to address your particular concerns as you explore this super fun way to make art. Also, it would really help me out if you'd subscribe and come back again for more tutorials. Thanks. Bye.